Meaning of distinctness.
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 Distinctness. Distinctness refers to the quality of being different or individual. When something has distinctness, it is easily distinguishable from other things. This can apply to physical objects or abstract concepts, such as ideas or emotions. For example, a person's voice may have distinctness that makes it easily recognizable. In terms of design, the use of contrasting shapes or colors can create distinctness in a visual sense. Ultimately, distinctness allows for clear differentiation and identification, making it an important aspect in various fields such as marketing, branding, and communication.